Hello everyone, I'm Beth at Abby's Attics Creation and welcome to my YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to incess on a slate coaster and then fill it with powder coat. And I'm just using an ordinary slate coaster, nothing special. And we will get that started here. So once we import our image into XES, we're going to bring it in, we're going to size it to how we want it. I frame it. So we're over here framing it and it's just a little bit off. So I'm going to center it like so, and we'll go right back over to the laptop. We're going to stop framing now. I'm going to check my settings one last time. Alright, it's on incess. I'm only going to do 10 layers for this, 100 power, 5,000 speed, and 300 lines per centimeter, sorry. I'm going to hit process. This part can take a little bit depending on your design. Looks like it's going to take about 15 minutes and 14 seconds. So we're going to hit start and then we'll head back over to the F1 Ultra. Please make sure if you have an external fan on, and like an inline fan, that you do turn it on at this point. Now that we're back over here, I'm going to hit start on the controller and I'm going to close the lid. Now that that's done, we are going to fill it with blue powder paint. From here, you do not want to lift up your project at all. You want to keep it exactly where it was. So when you go back to engrave it with the blue light, it hit in the same exact spot. I do normally use paintbrushes to do this, but I wanted to try this just to see if it's going to be easier. And that way I don't have to clean out a paintbrush again. So we're just going to spread it out as evenly as possible. And once I get enough on there, I will use a metal business card actually and spread it out evenly. You do want to make sure it is pretty flat and you don't have any extra where it's going to be engraven again, because you will end up with bumps. And we'll head back over to the laptop. Now that we're back over at the laptop, it is a compound, and I am going to change it to blue light. I'm going to up the power to 6,000. You could have left it on the incess as well, but and we're just going to hit process and we'll head back over to the F1 and start it up. Now that it's sent over to the controller, we will be hitting start, and it shouldn't take too long to do this part. I had to change a smart setting in the settings. So there we have it. You can just wipe it down. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to tap it off in there. Another thing you can do is you can get a blow gun and just get the rest of it off. And it's all nice and filled.